back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Wesley Givens leading second, the 41 of Matthew Worley. Third, Gary Smith. Fourth, Chris Patrick. Fifth is Donald Cassee. Wesley Givens, Gary Smith, Matthew Worley, Chris Patrick, and Donald Cassee, top five. 11 laps in the books. Just 4 laps left, ladies and gentlemen, here. Caution on the racetrack. Caution for debris in turns 3 and 4. 3 laps left. Just a reminder, next week we are closed here at Natural Bridge Speedway for the Rockbridge Regional Fair. We will not be racing again until September 20th, the late model 604 Vintage Pure Stock and Stock 4. Green is back out here. Two laps to go. Popsicle sticks in the air. 2 laps to go for Wesley Givens, looking for trying to pick up his 6th win of the 2025 season. White flag in the air. Just one more trip around Natural Bridge Speedway for Wesley Givens. Through 3 and 4 one last time. Checkered flag in the air. Checkered flag for Wesley Givens. Second, Gary Smith. Third to 41 of Matthew Worley. Fourth, Chris Patrick. Fifth, Donald Cassee. Sixth, Caleb Gibson. Seventh, Scott Alray. Eighth, Justin Groom. So Wesley Givens is your winner. So Natural Bridge Speedway, give it up for Henrico, Virginia's Wesley Givens, 6th win on the season.